Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on your iPad. Since the game isn't natively available, we'll explore two main methods to get you playing. First, we'll look at using cloud gaming services that stream the game directly to your device. Second, we'll cover how to remotely play The Sims 4 from your own personal computer. Both approaches require a reliable internet connection for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Cloud gaming services, such as NVIDIA GeForce Now, allow you to stream The Sims 4 directly to your iPad. You'll need to own the game on a compatible PC platform like Origin or Steam. These services usually require a monthly subscription fee to access their powerful gaming servers. Ensure your internet speed is at least 15 to 25 megabits per second for optimal performance. Another excellent option is to remotely play The Sims 4 from your own personal computer. Applications such as Steam Link or other remote desktop software enable this. Your iPad and PC must be connected to the same local network, ideally via a strong Wi-Fi signal. Remember, your computer needs to be powered on and running the game for this method to work seamlessly. To ensure the best experience, a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is absolutely paramount, ideally 5 GHz. Consider using a Bluetooth controller for more precise and comfortable gameplay, as touch controls can be challenging. Always ensure your iPad has ample battery life or is connected to power. Finally, optimize your PC's graphics settings for streaming, prioritizing performance over ultra-high fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.